In this video, we're going to talk about how to pad a Python string with zeros. And what we mean by that is you want the same number of digits there, and if there's a missing digit, you want a zero. So if you've got 1 and you want 3 places, it'd be 0, 0, 1. So use the magic spell zfill, which actually stands for zero fill. Kind of gives it away, doesn't it? So here we've got an episode. The string is 45, and I want 4 places there. So I'm going to do zfill to the 4, and that gives me, oh, I've got 4, 5, and so I need 2 zeros to fill out the 4 spaces. So 0, 0, 4, 5. Now, what about numbers? You could convert them to a string, or if you're filling in there, you could do colon 0, 4 when you're doing a formatted string, an F string, and that will do the same thing. It will be equivalent to convert it to a string and then using zfill. So that's it. Quick and simple. No big deal to do this. zfill. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that like button so I can help more people, and I'll see you in the next video.